Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can manage the Windows microphone privacy settings. So in case your microphone is not working, it could be because of this setting. So let's see how to access it. First press the Windows button or the start menu and then type privacy or microphone privacy settings. Okay, you will see this option. Then open it and then the settings page will open here like this. Right now you can see microphone access for my device is complete on because I'm also recording this, and on the right side bar here you can also see this mic icon, and if you move your mouse over to the icon it will show you which app is currently using your microphone, and this icon is only visible when the microphone is being used, not all the time. Now if you want to turn it off, you can click on change here, then turn it off from here, and then you can also allow or restrict specific apps that are downloaded from the Windows Store, so by clicking on this turn on or off. Also if you scroll down here you can manage it for individual apps also, and then there is this last option that allows or restrict the access of desktop apps, normally which we call as Windows programs. So you can also turn it off here, but you are not allowed to restrict or allow specific apps on from the desktop as it allows you from the Microsoft Store apps. So if you are having problem with the microphone settings, you can try turning it on and off from here, or if you do not want to give access to your microphone settings, you can permanently turn it off from here. So I hope you found this video helpful.